Find or read reviews that people are talking about neon pink controller replacement for Xbox One, Xbox Series X/S, Xbox One X/S, Windows 10 PCs, wireless gamepads with 3.5mm headphone jack. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Why you choose neon pink controller replacement? Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Enjoy the familiarity of the controller's intuitive layout and super comfortable ergonomics. Featuring textured rear grips, this gamepad will be your ultimate go-to controller for intense battles and long gaming sessions. Plug in any compatible headset with the 3.5mm audio headset jack, spending a funny time by yourself or your partners. Includes Xbox wireless technology for wireless gaming on supported Xbox One consoles, Xbox Series X/S consoles, Windows 10 PCs. Need an Xbox wireless adapter. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.